My name's Ali and I run Prom Alley CIC, which is a non-profit social enterprise that's helping children in financial hardship attend prom. So I started Prom Alley 7 years ago because I heard a story about a young girl who couldn't attend her prom because she couldn't afford an outfit. So her and her mum were looking around charity shops and they couldn't find anything nice. So all of her friends were excited, but she wasn't excited to go. I just wondered if there was anything out there to help her or people in her situation, and that's how I came up with the idea. We've implemented the circular economy into every part of our business. So all of our stock is second-hand, it's all donated in and nothing is bought new. So it's either donated from people after their prom or from prom or wedding shops. We encourage renting and reusing garments instead of only using once. And also when the dress has got to the end of its life, we donate it on to another CIC to use. We even found a warehouse that does our distribution who use eco-friendly laundering systems. So they use a mist called ozone to clean the dresses instead of harmful chemicals. And they also have staff there that mend and fix the dresses so that we can extend the life cycle so they don't just go into landfill after one use. So we use the circular economy when we're promoting and marketing our business because at the minute the sustainability is on the forefront of everyone's mind. Everyone wants to be more eco-friendly because they've seen the damages of fast fashion. I also go into schools to do talks with teenagers about the impacts of fast fashion and what they can do to help. So we always use the circular economy and the principles of it when promoting what we do. So in the future for Prom Alley, we really want to ensure that no child misses out on their school prom due to their parents' financial situation. But we also want to make sure that we can try and change people's attitudes towards renting and buying new. So we need to keep promoting sustainable fashion and second-hand fashion so people don't keep buying a new outfit for every event and then it ending up in landfill and damaging the planet.